Hey guys, good morning, and a lot of you have requested me to vlog my travel, so I will try my best if I can. Right now my husband is there in his black t-shirt, and he's carrying my baby. Baby is almost sleepy, but we are trying to make him not sleep so that when we get up, when we board the flight, he sleeps in the flight. So we are trying our best so that he doesn't sleep. You can just see around our boarding gate. These are the shops, like this is Terminal 2 of Changi International Airport, Singapore. There are a lot of shops over here. This is the stuff that we have for our cabin. We just have a bag and a diaper bag, and then that's my camera bag, and this is my handbag. It's a gas handbag, and it's a black color one. So this also carries a lot of stuff. This is the amazing sky view of the Singapore. Singapore is famous for its Marina Bay Sands, the Singapore Flyer, and the Raffles, the river. So we have this huge poster of it here, and then this is inside of the airport as usual, like any other airport, but this is one of the best international airports in the world, and I really like this airport. That's my husband. He is carrying our cabin bags, and my baby is looking this side. So that's that. Hey guys, we have landed in India. We have landed in Delhi. We are at the Delhi International Airport. You can see there is the luggage belt. You can see my husband if you see properly. So he is just taking the luggage, and I'm so excited to go out. My brother-in-law has come to pick us up, and I have my baby in my arms. Hello. Shall you say hello? Say hello. 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 So that's it. I'm excited to go out, and then I'll catch you guys later. I'll just show you just inside of the airport a little bit. Like you can see, there is a liquor shop, Delhi duty free, and then there are all the belts to collect your luggage, and there are some security check-in and some of the shops here. Like you can see a lot of brands, cosmetics here, Revlon, Chanel, and some other brands, but I'm not excited to shop right now here because I have already done a lot of shopping last month, and right now I don't have anything, and if I want to buy all these things, I can definitely buy them in Singapore. So there is no point of buying me this right now and increasing my luggage, but I'm super excited to go out and eat something. Hey guys, I have reached India. I wanted to show you the traffic around. We are just stuck in the traffic right now, and see, it is so crowded right now. My baby is resting. He is just lying down in the car. He's been a really good guy today. He has not troubled us much, and he's smiling. See baby,
साइड में है ना रास्ता, बीच में क्यों घुसा हुआ है? उन्होंने उठाया अपने ऊपर, वो तो चल दिया खम्बा खुम्बा गिराएगा लग रहा मुझे। उनको जल्दी बहुत है। क्या हाल हो रहा है? कह रहा वो कहाँ कह रहा है? उसे कहने देना। एक फ्रेश चम्मच ला लो।
Lunch here. This is a restaurant on the Haryana highway. This is called Amrik Sukhvi. This is the logo of this restaurant. This is just amazing. They just made amazing food. We are just done with our lunch, but it is just amazing. I'll just show you the ambience around. Hey guys, this is Camel. I just came across this beautiful camel on Haryana highway. We just had our lunch in this restaurant. This is called Amrik Sukhdev Dhaba, and the food was awesome. So by the time my tea gets ready, I'll just show you the menu. So this is the menu. It has every detail of this restaurant, and you can see it's a basic dhaba in India, and This is the snacks and everything that you get, and it's just a very simple dhaba. So you can see people sitting around, all travelers, and this is the main counter where you get stuff from. I have already kept one video, what's in my suitcase video, for schedule on my main channel, so I hope you guys will check that. And I got my nails done. If you see, I have this 2-tone nails and they have little bit glitter and this 3D flower. Over here I've got it done specially for my child's birthday. So you can see the tea is ready and it's too milky. I don't like very milky tea, but in India, especially in northern part of the India, tea is supposed to be very milky, so it's supposed to be nice.
निकाल के रख लो अंदर, क्योंकि लिफाफे तो अंदर ले जाने हैं। कैसे बैठे हुए लोग हैं, क्या हो क्या रहा? Election.
Is it because of election? It's so crowded, or is it always crowded? Yeah, they're having tea.
अच्छा, ये मॉर्निंग वॉकर्स होंगे जो
मॉर्निंग वॉकर्स।
ये होटल ही ये न्यूज़ वाला खड़ा हुआ है, कुछ होने वाला है।
मिल जाता है आराम से।
लैक्टोजन मिल जाता है।